guys, I guess welcome back to the channel. You can tell you already understood that we continue working on the M4, David's M4. So you guys saw at the beginning episode, we actually took care of this quarter panel. It's right here. But there's a surprise behind it. So this vehicle was, I noticed it was repainted. The quarter panel was repainted. And I told Yuri, I hope there's no damage on the quarter panel where the body work was done and there's a body filler. I hope they replaced the door and they had to do a blend on the quarter panel. But I was right. The quarter panel was damaged before. You can clearly see this spot was damaged. So basically, if we're looking at this quarter panel and comparing here, so this area from here all the way to here was damaged. And plus, somebody add more damage to quarter panel right here, which you can clearly see damage, 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 damage. And the body work was done right here. So all this have a body filler. And also I was heating this up so body panel bond would separate. So I don't know how good the body filler now after all this work that I performed on it. At the same time, I have what I have and I have to deal with this. Sucks, of course. Paid way too much money for this quarter panel. The skin could be purchased way cheaper. But hey, that's how it is. We're moving right along. I like how we're going with it. But we're done for today. We're gonna continue tomorrow. And tomorrow we're gonna start disassembling vehicle. We're gonna take the rear bumper, taillights, and gonna start grinding this quarter panel off instead of drilling off, because I don't want to make holes, so I have to fill those holes in. Slap, zik, grrk, zik, psst, 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 pum pum, done, gone. Money, money, money. Next project. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah guys, by the way, it's a Monday. Let's take everything apart. Yes. Get the quarter panel off of this car. That's the main goal for today. So there we have it. Quarter panel is out. I mean, out, off, what is it? And sorry guys, it's a little bit windy. Spring, at least it's not raining. So I'm done with it, pulling it out, taking a quarter off. But to install and weld and do everything, I need the door. While the door was getting shipped here, it got damaged a lot, and oh, you recorded, right? But you didn't record the damage on it. So the door is at the dent repair. He haven't called me yet, and in order to test fit everything and weld it, I need a door. So that's why we're gonna put the glass back, quarter and back, just in case if it's gonna rain. It's not supposed to, but that way the interior not gonna get wet. And when I'll get the door, I'll continue working on it. So another day, door came in, looks flawless, but there's some imperfections because I didn't ask my dent repair to do it 100%. I asked him where I can block it, prime it, and I can block it again. Everything gonna be good to go. I don't want to bundle. So many times I already said that, but you guys know I don't like bundle. So first thing what needs to be done is, before we weld it, cut the quarter panel, weld it and grind it, we need to take this door off of here, install that door there, tap it on a self-tapping screw somewhere, make sure all the gaps are good, and then make a line where we want to do cuts, cut them, test fit them, see if everything is 100% good, and then apply what is it? Adhesive promotion. Adhesive, right? Adhesive. Anyway, glue. Apply glue there. Slap everything back together. Right now it's just sitting there, so nothing get damaged. Also, this quarter panel needs some work. We'll see how much today is gonna be done, but I'm hoping the quarter panel will be welded. Alright, quarter panel is back in place, welded, but as you can tell, it's not grinded. We're gonna leave this grinding, body feeling, preparing, priming. We'll leave it for next episode, right, Yuri? I think we did it, and plenty enough for this episode. What we did in this episode? Did we cut out the quarter panel in this episode? I don't remember what we did.
It goes fast.
It goes fast, yeah. Anyway, yeah, there you go. You can see it. I'm gonna have to work with the body filler right here and right there. I mean, still plenty to do to make it look nice. Still plenty of grinding. Still plenty of body filling and priming and all that good stuff as what we like, right? So I'm gonna be working here. Then door needs to be done also. Also, we need to open up the front bumper and see what's going on with it. Maybe something needs to be done on it also. So yeah, everything coming along pretty good. I hope you're enjoying this project really well. We actually do enjoy it, and if you want to see inside scoop, check out Instagram. Other than that, I'll catch you next one.